Today I want to show you why fennel is not just a weed and how by adding a few simple ingredients you can make a beautiful pesto that you can use as a dip or on a pasta dish. Hello herb lovers, it's Toni here from Life, Love and Lettuce, and today I want to show you how to make a simple fennel pesto with these few ingredients. First, of course, we're going to start with our fennel. Make sure that you have fennel. There are a few herbs that masquerade as fennel, so you need to make sure that you actually have harvested some fennel. Then we have our pine nuts. I like to use pine nuts, but you can use any nuts. Walnuts are really nice as well, or pistachio nuts, or macadamia. Whatever nut you feel you need to use is really suitable for this recipe. We have one of the last few lemons off our lemon tree. You can, of course, if you have harvested and saved some of your lemons, use one of your frozen lemon ice cubes. And I'll leave a link to that video here for you. We've got some mint. Today I'm using apple mint, but any suitable edible mint that you enjoy the fragrance and the taste of is perfect for this recipe. We have garlic. Pesto is just not pesto without garlic as far as I'm concerned. And I'm using nutritional yeast. You can use cheese in this recipe, and I don't do cheese, so we're using nutritional yeast. And to finish everything off and to bind all of these wonderful ingredients together, we have olive oil. You can use another oil, but olive oil is my favorite. First things first, you're going to want to wash your herbs just to make sure that they are clean, and you can do that by simply rinsing them in a bowl of water and then patting them dry on a nice clean tea towel. Chop up your fennel. I don't like to use too much of the stalk because it adds far too much liquid to the pesto. Chop up your mint. Squeeze your lemon juice into your mixture. Throw in your garlic clove and your pine nuts and your cheese, or your nutritional yeast in this case. And then we're going to turn the food processor on and let her do her thing. Next, you're going to pour your olive oil in a thin stream into your food processor, and you're going to look for the oil and the contents coming together into a nice smooth pesto texture. Once you've reached that point, stop pouring in the oil. You can stop the machine and you have your perfect pesto. Now it's simply a matter of scraping the contents out of your food processor and putting it into a beautiful bowl, and I actually quite often like to put a nasturtium flower on the top because it just finishes things off. So there we go. From garden to table, our beautiful fennel pesto. It was as easy as that. If you want to learn more about how you can grow herbs in your garden, make sure that you check out our Beginner Gardener series here, and I'll see you again in the next video. Love and lettuce, and bye for now.